Alright, so I got a really quick video for you guys, but iOS users, you're gonna love me for this one. I made a video a few months back about how I was switching to iOS. It's been good, you know, no real complaints, just a few minor annoyances. The biggest being how stupid iTunes is. I mean, I can sit here all day and make an hour rant about how bad it is. I fucking hate it. I mean, I couldn't even figure out how to transfer music from my iPhone to my PC and vice versa. Thankfully, I found a much better solution thanks to Logitech. He's an awesome creator. He's here on YouTube. I'll leave his channel in the description down below, and I love him so much for showing me this software. Now, this software is called DeerMob iPhone Manager, and it's miles better than iTunes. Let's actually just jet on over to the PC, and I'll give you guys the rundown, show you what this software can do, and hopefully make your lives just a little bit easier. Alright, so when you first launch the software, you're greeted with a bunch of different, I guess, selections, if you will. You can completely back up and restore a number of things with zero limits. Contacts, messages, apps, you name it. You can transfer data back and forth with zero issues. So, like I said, I had trouble transferring music with iTunes. Let's actually go through and show you how quick and easy it is using the Music Manager. So if we click into Music Manager, from here, let's just click on the plus icon to make a new playlist. I'll go ahead and name mine My Music, hit enter. Now let's actually add some music now by clicking on the Add Music icon up top. I'll navigate to my music folder and I'll select just a few songs for now. Now that we have our music, all we need to do is click sync, and just like that, it's adding all of my music without any problems, and I didn't have to buy the music through the iTunes app. It's a beautiful thing. Now, to me, being able to add my music is the icing on the cake, but there are so many more layers underneath the frosting. Like I said, you can back up and transfer. Just take full control over your device, really, with this software. Links will be in the description, of course, for this software. If it helped you out at all, definitely don't forget to like that smash button, check out some other content, and if you want to make my whole entire week, smash that subscribe button, leave me a comment. Signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.